What's good, guys? It's your girl Leah, and today I did explicit look. Well, I did this look, okay, guys, and I'm happy about it because I wasn't too sure about it at first when I started with the blues, and I was like, whoa, hold on now. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe after the video. Please don't forget. If you feel like you're gonna forget now, go ahead and do it, like while we here. So yes, guys, I'll see you guys another time. Stay beautiful. Bye. So before I start with my eyeshadows and stuff, you know I gotta prime my face with the Becca primer. This is new, guys. I don't know how this is gonna work on my face. It's my first time trying it. This is how it looks on hand. Oh, scared. Let's see how this looks though. Golden undertone. I like it, and it has like a lemon smell to it. Usually I'm scared to use stuff with smells like strong scent because my skin is sensitive. I'm growing a pimple in my eyebrow right there. It won't go away. But yeah, why did I just put extra on my freaking face? But anyways, yes, I like to use unscented stuff because the ones with the scents be breaking me out sometimes, and I'm just gonna see how this goes. Gonna test the waters, but I actually think this right there because of my period. We gonna see. It's shiny. My face is definitely shining. Shining, 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 yeah. We're gonna go in with my primer and ghost spray. It did so well the other day. I just hate how it sprays out. Feels like somebody skeeting you with the dang on water gun. But I'm not really too sure about it. I feel like I should add more. So I'm not done with the eye. We're not done with this eye. We're gonna come back to it. I used the concealer Pure in the color Light for my base. Next, I'm taking my Too Faced Peanut Butter Honey palette in the color Feeling Nutty, and I'm using it this color, like a build-up color, basically, like, you know how you have to have that one color you build from. Even though this color does not show, it's basically like I'm just building from this color. And by the way, I got this brush from Sephora. It does not have a number or name. Yeah, all my brushes like that, by the way, so I'm sorry. Wait, is this brush like this? It's so dirty. I took this color blue with the sparkles in it. You really don't see the sparkles up there. Like, you don't see the sparkles up there. I'm using this brush from NYX. It's called Dome Blending, number NBL 20. Don't know if y'all can see, but yeah. I'm going in with this deeper dark blue right here. with the brush Shadow. It's like more of a flatter brush, and I'm gonna put this directly in my crease area because you want to give it that shadow look. I don't know how to say it. You want to give it that shadow look. Don't blend and brush again. I'm going back in with that same blue that I used for this, and I'm just going back in, buffing this color out. That's what your eye should look like, kids. And I have my pure concealer again. I'm using this baby blue color right here, and I'm putting it right on top of the I'm about to use this glue. I'm using this thin brush to apply my glitter. Guys, this is my eye look for today. Oh my god, it's so blue and big. Like, oh my god, I look like a, I don't know. So yeah, let's move on to the face. Still using the Fit Me foundation in the color 360. Yes, I'm using my foundation brush to apply my foundation. Let me tell you about the body, y'all. I broke my freaking Too Faced. Like, I had to hot glue this back together to save it. I was not going for it, like, no. In the color Chestnut, and I'm gonna be using it as my highlight for today. Go a little bit lighter under my eyes today because I want this look to be extra. So I'm gonna be using my Pro Concealer in the color True Color from Walmart. I got it from Walmart, guys. But guys, I'm blending out my contour right here. Too Faced contour in the color Cocoa. My Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I will be putting it directly on my highlight. If I could get some out of here, guys, I use this too freaking much. Like, I literally gotta do this. So that is sad. That is so sad. Contour my nose again with another Sephora brush. Okay, I'm gonna be using the same blush I always use. I'm gonna be using this blush right here because this blush right here is the thing. Guys, I'm about to go right back under my eye because I forgot all about it. But yes, I'm about to use this white color right here because I don't have no white liner. I wish I did. But yeah, I'm about to mix these two colors, these two highlight colors. Or I might not do that. I know I'm gonna just use this one for my, we gonna see, hold on. So we're just gonna use a little bit of this, a little bit, because a little go a long way. Oh, we just gonna use this one on my nose, cause boy,
they got my old car, but it's a 2010. It's not different than 2012.
So I'm gonna spray my face, set my face with a setting spray with the dewy finish. I got it from Walmart. Yeah.
Here do it for $1,200, then I got 45 days to give him the rest of the money, and then that's what.
She finer than wine. She finer than wine. Ooh, guys, ooh. I'll be back. I'm about to throw some clothes on real quick. Fix this hair. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay? Period. Y'all. Y'all. This shirt, I'm not even gonna stand up. Like, I'm not even gonna, hold on. So this is done. I just wanted to play with a couple of blues here and there. Oh, it's cute. I'm feeling it. I'm digging it all the way 100%. If you're digging it too, let me know down in the comments. Let me know down in the comments below. And yes, love you guys and see you guys later. Bye.